Hello grade 4, how's it going? This is Mr. Min Ahmed, math teacher, and today we have to solve the revision sheet for unit 2. Okay, first question is, which number has the digit 4 in the tens place and digit 9 in the 10,000s place and the digit 7 in hundreds place? Okay, so easy. Let's check the first one. 4 in tens place. This is ones, tens, hundreds, 10,000, 10,000. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. This is the order of the place values here. So again, please, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay, 4 in tens place. Ones, tens. Is this tens place is 4? Nope. So this is wrong. Let's check letter B. 4 in tens place. Yes, 4. The tens place here is 4. Okay. And 9 in the 10,000 place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Yes, 9 is 10,000 place. And the digit 7 in hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes, 7 in hundreds place. So you have to choose letter B. Compare between them which one is bigger, and I think it's so easy for you guys. Firstly, you have to count how many digits you have. Okay, here how many digits you have? 1 2 3 4. It's 4 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. It's 5 digits. Of course, 5 digits more than 4 digits. How many digits we have? 3 and 3 6 and 6. So the number of the digits, they are equals, right? So you have to check it from left to right. You have to check it digit by digit from left to right. What's the first number on the left side? 9. Here is 9, the same. Does that mean they are equal? Of course not. Let's check the second one, but from left to right. 4 and 4, the same. 8 and 1. 8 is more than 1, right? So this number is more than this number. Another one. How many digits you have? But firstly, you have to check what the number of the digits. Okay, here is 6 digits. Here is 5 digits. So 6 digits more than 5 digits, of course. Okay, 5 digits and 5 digits. 2020, 508, 508 is the same, so they are equal. I think this is so easy for you. Question number 3. Paula creates a table to show the height of 3 different skyscrapers. Okay. Willis Tower is 1,453. US Bank Tower is 1,018. One World Trade Center is 1,776. Which place value position should Paula use to compare their heights? So easy. So let's compare between them which one is the greatest number here. All of them is 4 digits. So let's check it. The first digit is 1, 1, 1. So they are equal until now. So the second digit is 4, 0, 7. Yeah, I know them. The greatest one is this, and the shortest one is 1,018, and in the middle is 1,453. From where we know it? We know it from this digit, right? This digit, in which place? What is the place value of this digit? Is ones, tens, and hundreds. So for here is the hundreds, 0 hundreds, 7 hundreds. So from the hundreds place, we know that this is the biggest one and this is the shortest one from the hundreds place. The value of the thousands place is 10 times greater than the value of which place position. This is a very important question, guys. Let's consider we have a number look like, for example, 1, 1, 1, 1. He asked you That's the value of the digit in thousands place. That's mean this one in thousand is 10 times greater than, that means this digit is greater than which place position? Greater than this was 10 times. This one is greater than this one. Why? Because this one is hundreds place, but here is 1000. 1000 place is 10 times as much as hundreds place, right? So this one is greater than this one. So if he told you 1000 place 10 times greater than, so choose the place value for less than 1000. What's the number before thousands place? Is hundreds place. Okay, so hundreds place is less than 1000 place by 10. Which of these represents 508,627? Choose all the correct numbers. That means you have to choose more than one. Choose all that apply. That means you have to choose more than one. Okay. 508,627. If the first one is true, let me check it. 50,000 is 50,000. No, it's 500,000. So the first one is wrong. Okay, 508,000. It's okay until now. 627. Yeah, it's true. It's the word form for this standard form. Okay, 500,000. It's okay. Plus 8,000. True. 600. Yes, 6 here in hundreds. 20. Yes, and 7. Yeah. Letter C is true because here he write it in expanded form. Letter D, 58. No, it's not 58. It's 508. So letter D is wrong. Question number 6. What is the value of the digit 7 here? What does it mean value, guys? Value, that means you have to write the number and all digits before this number must be zeros. So to write the value of 7 here, we have to put 7. How many digits after 7? Is 4 digits. We have to put them as zeros. So the value of 7 here is 70,000. Actually here he mean that 7 here is 7 what? 70,000. What is the value for 7 here? That mean 7 here is what? Okay. What is 65,803 rounded to the nearest 10,000? How can we round it? So easy for us. Where is 10,000? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. 6 here is 10,000. Look at the number before 6. It's a 5. Is 5 a happy number or a happy number or sad number, rich number or poor numbers? Any numbers like that. An example is true. What about 5? 5 is what? 5 is a happy number and his rich number. So 5 will give 6 1. So this 6 is going to be 7. And all of the numbers before it must be zeros. So the answer is going to be 70,002. The value of the digit 9 in 943. So the value of the digit 9 here, the same 9 here is what? It's 900. Is 10 times the value of the digit 9 in which number? Okay, 900 is 10 times what? 900 is here means equal. 10 times what? Times 90, of course, right? Because 10 times 90 is 900. Okay, so we need which number here? 9. The value of the 9 in this numbers, it must be 90. Is here the 9 is 90? Of course not. 9 here is in ones. 9 here is 90. So letter B. 9 here is 1000, so it's wrong. So he told us the value of the 9 here is 900, right? Is 10 times what? 10 times 90. Where is 90 here? 90 here in the letter B. A factory owner estimates that the factory can make 655,000 toy cars each week. Which number rounds to 655,000 when rounding the nearest thousand. Choose yes or no. That means you have to round all of these numbers to nearest thousand, and the number it must be 655,000. Okay, let me check. Thousand, where is thousand here? Thousand is 5. The first 5 here, ones, tens, 100,000. What's the number before it? It's 2. 2 is a poor number. 2 has never give 5 any number. So it must be, this 5 is gonna be the same 5. Okay, all of the number before it must be zeros. All of the number after it, it must keep it. Before zeros, after keep it. So is this 655? Yes, it's true. So you have to do right in yes. Second one, what the 1000 is 8. What's the number before? It's 2. Is 2 will give it anything? Nope. It's gonna be the same 8. Before it must be zeros. After it must be keep it. So is this 655? No. So you have to put right in no. 1000 is 4. What's the number before 4 is 6. 6 is a reach number. So we have to add 1 to this 4. So this 4 is gonna be 5. Before zeros. After keep it. Is this 655? Yes, true. So you have to put true in yes. Here, this is 1000. 5 is a reach number. So this 5 is gonna be 6. Before zeros. After keep it. So it's wrong. 3 has never give 4 any something because it's a poor, so we'll keep it as poor as 4 and keep them like that. So it's no. So yes, no, yes, no, no. Let's round this one. How can you round 385,122 of 3 different place values positions? Round nearest 100,000. What is 100,000? Ones, 10. Let's do it more. This is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. Here he need 100,000. 100,000 here is 3. Okay, it's 3. What's the number for it? It's 8. 8 is a reach number, so it will give 3 1. So this 3 is gonna be 4. All of this must be zeros, 5 zeros. 1 2 1 2 3. 10,000. Okay, 10,000 is 8. 5 will give it 1, so it's gonna be 9. Before zeros, but after is keep it. 2 nearest 1,000. 1,000 here is 5. 1 has never give 5 any something, so it's gonna be 5. Before zeros, so that's mean all of the number before it must be zeros, and all of the number after it must keep it. I think it's so easy. That's it. Okay. How would you write 420,403 in expanded form? What does it mean expanded form? Put every number alone. Put each number alone. Okay, can you read this? 400,000 plus, can you read just 2? 20,000 plus, can you read the 0 is not important to write it. 4 here is 400, right? So you have to write 400 plus 0 is not important, so and 3. That's it. Next one, rounding the nearest 1,000. What does 420,403 rounded to? What does it mean? That means you have to round this number to nearest 1,000. Where is 1,000? Here is 0. Okay, what number before is 4, right? 4 is 4 will give 0 anything? Of course not, because 4 is a poor number. Okay, 4 has never give 0 any number, so 0 is gonna be 0. Before zeros, after keep it. So the answer is 420,000. Okay, if we need to read this number, it's 460,155. Which sentences here are true? The digit 1 is in the hundreds place. Where is the hundreds place? Ones, tens, hundreds. Yes, it's true. The digit 5 is in the tens place. Yes, 5 in the tens place. True. There are 0, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Is this 0? No. So we can't choose letter C. The value of the digit 6 is 60,000. 6 here, let's write 6, and all of this must be zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 60,000. It's true. The digit 4 is in the million period. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So of course it's wrong. Digit 4 in the 100,000. The value of the digit 7 is 70. 7 is here. 7. Do you have any number after it? No. So it's just 7, not 70. It's wrong. I think it's so easy for you. Okay. Here this is expanded form and word form. We need to collect them together to be standard form. So easy for you. It's 1,200,000. Okay, we can write it from here. So if you need to write any standard form from the word form, convert the word thousand to be a comma. 1,235,000. Okay, so the most important word here is thousand. Thousand here means comma. What does it mean, thousand? It means comma. What's the number before it? 1 million. And million too is a comma. It's the first time for you to show million, I know. Million and thousand is comma. 1 million, so you have to put here 1. 235 after 1,000, so we must put here 235. 576. 576. So to write any number like a standard form, consider thousand the comma and million two the comma. Okay, how can we expand this form? 8, it's 800,000. Write 8 and all of them must be zeros. Plus, write 2 and all of them must be zeros. 0 is not important. Plus 4, all of them must be zeros. After that, 1. What is how many digits after 1? It's just 1, 0. After that, 2. Okay, the word form, the place is so closed, but we will try. What is 378,249 rounded to the nearest 100,000? Where is 100,000 here? 3. What's the number before? 7. 7 is a reach number, so add 1 to the 3, it's gonna be 4. All of them must be zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the largest number and the smallest number you can create using the given digits? Use each digit only once. Don't use 0 at the first digit. It's a very important rule. Large number. How can we collect these numbers together to be the largest number ever? To be like that, you have to collect from the greatest number to the smaller number, or descendingly. How? What is the greatest number you have? Is 6. After that, it's 5. After that's 4, 3, and 0. So the greatest number we can create it from all of these is 65,430. What about the smallest number? Of course, mister, we have to start from the smaller number. Okay, it's 0, 3, mister. But he say a very important rules. Let's complete it. 4, 5, 6. But we have a problem here. Why? Don't use 0 as the first digit. Mister, we already use it. 0 here is the first digit. So where we must put it? What about if we remove it? Let's remove it. Of course not, because now you didn't use 0 from here, and he said that you have to use all of the digits. What about if you put it here? If you put it here, it's gonna be not the smallest answer you can put it. So what should we put it? You have to flip the 0 with this 3. So 0 we can't use as the first digit, you must use it as the second digit. Okay, so 0, if we create a numbers, you have to use it as a second digit, not as the first digit. Which representations are equivalent to 320,605? Choose yes or no. Okay, 320,000, 605, 605, it's true. 320 and 605, it's true too. Because 300, it's 300,000. 2 and 4 zeros, yes. 6 and 2 zeros, yes, and 5, good. 300,000, okay. 3 here in 100,000, true. 2 in 10,000, yes, 2 in 10,000. But 3 in 1,000, 6 in 1,000 is in 1,000 here. We have 6. This is 1,000, guys. Of course not. In 1,000 we have 0. Zoe writes the following number in the place value chart. Ralph makes a new 4 digits number. He used the same digit as Zoe, but he removed the 0. He writes the digits in the same order. Write Ralph's number, then explain how the value. Okay. Ralph here writes the same number, but he remove it and write in the same order. What does it mean? So he write it without 0. 1, 2, remove 0, 1, 9. Okay, this is the Ralph number. Compare them. Okay, 9 in ones, here 9 in ones, 1 in tens, 1 in tens. But here 2 in 1,000, but 2 here in hundreds, right? 1 here in 10,000, but 1 here is 1,000. So the number of Zoe, 1 and 2 in Zoe, is 10 times more as much as the number 1, 2 in the number of Ralph. Thank you for watching.